you once again for tuning in to another episode of Import Life Media. And today, what I'm gonna do is give you guys a little car verbiage, car vocabulary 101. There's so many people out there that are in the car community, are learning to understand cars and they wanna get involved, or just on a remedial level, just wanna learn more. So you see the title, rims, wheels, tires, what is the difference? And that's a common thing that gets confused, especially when people start speaking on their cars or saying what they want to do to it, and they start using wrong terms. It kind of makes you just want to go, Urgh. So let's get that cleared up, because the last thing you want to do, here's an example, the last thing you want to do is end up sounding stupid. I shit you not. I've talked to some people making a joke about me racing them in my truck. Now they're like, hey, what's under the hood? What's under the hood? So I'll say, hey man, I don't know if you want to race me, dog. We can do it for pinks. I'm bullshitting. But this is what I do. Go, pop my hood, and one of the things that they see is this. They see 1, 2, 3. Those are alternators. Those are high output alternators to help power my system for my music. For whatever reason, people are always like, no, hell no, dog, I ain't gonna race you. Dog, you got 3 turbos. Those are not turbos, those are alternators. We know that. So in order to avoid simple things like that of just misunderstanding or just not knowing, I'm gonna explain the difference between rims, wheels, and tires, and why they're separated. And like I said, it's highly debatable, but tap into the comment section and let me know what you guys think. Let's get this started. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
All right, let's get started. First rule, this right here is called what? A rim. A rim. And if you have more than one, what do you call it? Rims. Good job, good job. All right. I was gonna start getting a little tricky, okay? That's a rim. This right here is a tire. Well, guess what? If you have more than one of those, or a set, they're called tires. Ta-da! But we covered rim and rims, but rim, tires. Now you put the rim and the tires together, that becomes a wheel. Rims, tires, together as one unit, that's a wheel, okay? A lot of people confuse these two with the names. Together, wheel, just separate, rims, tires. Okay? But let me do a little bit more explaining right now. All right, so we all know what a tire is. Tire is the rubber, okay? Simple. The rims is just the unit by itself, but the wheels, like I explained, is the tires and the rims together. That creates the wheel. Here's where some confusion can happen, and it's okay. It's understandable. Depending on what type of rims you may buy or how expensive they may come, when you buy your rims, they'll give you this, which is a wheel lock. And that's where the confusion can lie. So with the rims, they give you a wheel lock to where you can screw on the nut, but it's a different pattern. So not anybody could just come up and steal your wheels. So with your rims, they'll give you a wheel lock, right? Rims, wheel lock, because they want to protect your vehicle. There is a lot of confusion between, okay, for example, if somebody, you're at a stoplight and somebody says, like, damn bro, hey, nice wheels. What they're complimenting you on is the way your car is set up with your rims and your tires. The combination that you put together to create a nice set of wheels. It's easy to get it confused, but once you know like simple things like that, super easy, and but it's okay though because man, I'll tell you what. Here's a little bonus footage for you. Something else that gets confused, I'll make it real quick, make it simple. Check this out. A lot of people confuse the difference between a bolt, a nut, and a screw. Okay, so this right here are bolts. Okay, a bolt does have a pattern on it, just like a screw does. But the difference between a bolt and a screw is a bolt requires a nut, okay? The nut screws on to the bolt. There's a bolt, it's different than a screw because a bolt requires a nut, or this is a nut to some rims to put your tires on. Bolt, nut, screw. Now next week, what I'm gonna teach you is how to tie your shoes and how to wash your ass. Thank you, but no thank you. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, please like, and say something in the comment section if you want me to cover anything. If you feel I was wrong or may have confused anything with what I had to say, and follow me on IG at Import Life Media. All right, y'all, till next time.